Hello, how are you? I hope all is well. I am your Mr. Professional Hacker. Today's tool is Nmap, a very powerful and important tool used worldwide for information gathering and many other tasks. We will first dive into the theory and then move on the practical parts. So let's start. Here is Nmap tool. If you can open this tool to type directly on it, and otherwise here you type Nmap, okay, and -h. You open like this, okay, these two ways. And next move on. What is Nmap? Nmap network mapper. It's mean network mapper. It's a popular and powerful open source tool used primarily for network discovery and security auditing. It helps network administrators and security professionals understand the structure of their networks, detect open ports, services running on them, and identify potential vulnerabilities. How Nmap works? Nmap sends specially crafted packets to the target system and analyze the responses to gather information about the target. It can perform various types of scans. Here first is ping sweep. Identifies active hosts in a network. Second is port scanning. Discovers open ports on a target system, indicating which services might be running. Third is service version detection. Determines the versions of services running on open ports. And fourth is operating system detection. Identifies the operating system running on the target. And script scanning, number 5, uses Nmap script engine to detect vulnerabilities and gather additional information. And next question is purpose of Nmap. Okay. First is network inventory. Map out the entire network including all devices and services. Second thing is vulnerability detection. Identify open ports and services that might be vulnerable to attack. Number third, security auditing. Assess the security posture of a network by detecting potential weaknesses. Number fourth, compliance auditing. Ensure that systems adhere to security policies and standards. Number 5, network monitoring. Monitor network performance and detect unauthorized devices or services. Okay. Number 6, penetration testing as a part of ethical hacking. It's used to identify weaknesses in a network that can be exploited. Okay, now let's move on our first command. Here you type Nmap. Next command is Nmap -sn. Okay, this command performs a ping scan to determine which hosts are IP in the network range. Here you type your victim IP address. Okay, but I type here just example IP address for your understanding and practical. But here you type your victim IP address 0.192.168.1.0 over. Here you type slash and then 24. Enter. And second command is port scanning. Okay. Here you type its command maybe take some time like 5 minutes or 10 minutes because it's a big working. So here we cut. Next command is nmap. You have a lot of time, you do practical on your PC. -p. Okay, then next is 1, scan all ports from 1 to 65,535 on the target machine. If you want to scanning all ports of your victim IP address, then you type this command and enter 1/65,535. And here you type your IP address, your victim IP address, but here I type example IP address for your, and here I enter because this command take a lot of time, like at least if your internet is very fast, then it takes at least 5 to 10 minutes, but if your internet speed is slow, then it's take almost 20 minutes. Okay, now here we cut. Just you see commands and take picture and then do practical on your machine. Next command is services version detection. Okay, here you type nmap -s capital V. Okay, here you type your victim IP address .168.1.1. Okay, detects the version of services running on open ports. Enter. Here is see detail because it's a example IP address, so not have enough data on it. Next command is operating system detection. Okay, here you type nmap -o and then here you type your victim IP address .168.1.1. Okay, here you type enter. Identifies the operating system running on the target. Okay, and next command is aggressive scan. Here you type nmap type -a capital. Okay, then here you type your victim IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay, enter. Performs operating system detection, version detection, script scanning, and trace out in one command. This command provide you a complete information about operating system detection, version detection, script scanning, and etc more. Okay, just see and take picture. Next command is scan multiple targets. Here you type nmap and then you type 192.168.1.1 and next you type here 192.168.2.10. Okay, and then you type here 192.168.1.3. These all are examples IP address. So here you type your victim IP address if you want to scan multiple IP addresses and got result from multiples. Here you type scan multiple targets in a single command. Okay, next command is scan entire subnet. Here we cut because it's take almost 10 minutes, so we don't have time for that. And here you type nmap, then you type here -s, then S capital. Okay, then type here 192.168.1.1. Enter. Scans an entire subnet for live hosts and ports. Okay, here you see result because its IP address is totally free, don't have any data in it. So next command is stealth scan. Here you type nmap hyphen sorry, here we type wrong command. Stealth scan, here you type S. S, capital S, sorry guys. And then type 192.168.1.1. Okay, perform a TCP send scan, often referred to as a stealth scan, to avoid detection by firewalls. Here you type. Okay, here you got result. And if you want scan entire subnet, then you type just a simple nmap and type 192.168.1.0/24. Okay, it scan your entire subnet. And our next command is UDP scan. Scan an entire subnet for live hosts and ports. Okay, it's take time, so here we need to cut and move on our next command. And next command is nmap -s capital U, and then here type your victim IP address .168.1.1. Okay, here enter. And scans for open UDP ports on the target IP address. Okay, so these commands are take big time, so we need to cut this, and you need to do practical on your machine. And next command is nmap. Here you type -s capital T, and next you here type 192.168.1.1. Okay, enter. Perform a full TCP connection scan, three-way handshake, useful when SYN scan is not allowed. Okay, next command is scan a range of IPs. Okay, here you type nmap, and then you type here 192.168.1.1, and then here you type then 50. Okay, scan all IPs within the specified range. Okay, in specified range you can scan a range of IP addresses. Okay, enter. Next command is timing and performance. This command takes some time, so here we need to cut and here type next command nmap hyphen capital T then 4. Okay, then type here 192.168.1.1. okay, controls the speed of the scan with T0 being the slowest and TS being the fastest. Here enter and move on our next command. Next command is scan using a specific interface. Okay, here you type nmap and here you type hyphen E and ETH0 because my internet is ETH0, but if your internet is LAN, then you type here LAN 0. Okay, 192.168.1.1. okay, enter. Specifies the network interface to use for scanning. Okay, here we need to clear our terminal. Clear. Next command is scan without DNS resolution. Here you type nmap and nmap hyphen n, then you type 192.168.1.1. okay, disables DNS resolution for faster scanning. Next command is scan for specific service or port. Here you type nmap hyphen p port, it's mean port 80. okay, then hyphen open. okay, here you type 192.168.1.1. okay, enter. Here you see everything. And next command is trace out. nmap hyphen trace out 192.168.1.1. okay, displays the route packets take to reach the target. okay, enter. And next command is save output to a file. If you want to save complete output in one file, then you type here this command nmap hyphen on n capital. okay, then scan here hyphen, then you type here results.txt and next is 192.168.1.1. okay, save the scan results to a text file. Here enter. Next command is scan with fragmented packets. Here you type ls and see here scan results.txt. okay, next command is scan with fragment packets. Here you type nmap, here type f and then type 192.168.1.1. okay, enter. Next command is scan for top ports. If you want to scan top ports and important ports, then you type this command nmap hyphen top hyphen ports, then here type 20 and then type 192.168.1.1. okay, then enter. Scan for the top 20 most common ports. Here you type, here you see complete detail about 20 ports. okay, and here type clear and need to clear our terminal. Next command is IPv6 scanning. because IPv6 IP addresses used in foreign countries like European countries or Gulf countries. So if someone have IP6 IP address, then you need to scan by this command. Here you type nmap -6, okay, then you type here 2000, its example IP address. You type here your victim IP address 0 or DB8, and then again commas, and then here type FF00, and then type here colon and 42, and then type here colon, and then type here 8329. It's example, it's just for your understanding. Scan and IPv6 IP addresses, here enter, and here it's your scanning report. And next command is scan for known vulnerabilities. Here you type nmap and type here -- script, okay, sorry, script, and then type vulnerable. Here you type VLN vulnerable 192, and here you type which IP address when you want to see it vulnerability, and here you type 1.1, okay, then enter. And next command is scan for default credentials. It's take some time maybe. So okay, here scanning is complete. Next command is nmap -- script, then type http -default accounts, then 192.168.1.1, okay, then enter. Checks for default credentials in web services. Okay, here we need to clear our terminal here. And next command is banner grabbing, and here you type nmap -s capital V, okay, then you type here -- script, then you type here is equal, and then type here banner, then type here 192.168.1.1, okay, enter. Next command is avoiding firewalls, okay. Banner grabbing, this command used for extract banners from services running on open ports, okay. And next command and last command, avoiding firewalls, nmap, and here you type -d capital, and then you type here -r and d capital, then you type here colon, then type here 10, okay, then type 192.168.1.1, okay, enter. This command should cover a wide range of scenarios for using Nmap is networking, scanning, security auditing. Each command has its own specific use case depending on what you need to accomplish, okay. And here finish our lecture today. Today lecture ends here. We will meet in the next lecture. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you receive every video first. I need your support. See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much. We will meet in next lecture. Thanks. please must do subscribe, like, share and comment on videos.